Ready to light him up. He's going to go first. In the tower, all we're smoked in pretty good here. Bill's already choking. Did he hit the wall? All right, everybody's good. So Christian in the Trackhawk and Cody in the Chrysler 300 SRT8 put on a smoke show for you folks like you've never seen before.
Oh, the smoke's finally clearing out. Unbelievable. They can just boil those tires endlessly. Wow.
As the smoke hangs in the air, now the grandstands have disappeared. How are you feeling now? Don't breathe. Or breathe it in.
Yeah.
It is Akron fallout.
Yeah, that's what it's called. I love the smell myself, but I'm crazy. Modern day muscle cars, here we go.
And a HEMI in the Trackhawk is gone. Christian is going to get down there first in the right-hand lane. 970 buck 48 to a 1314 107. That's an off-pace run for that car.
So there you go. Hemis, blowers, big power.